Hey, how you doing, Pat here? It's a new day today. I am going to start section 9, heading south. If you remember right in my last episode, I'm doing this route backwards. So I am at the, I guess technically it would be the start of 10 if you're going north like you're supposed to. But I'm back in West Branch State Park at this parking area. It's a great place to start one route and end the other, no matter which direction you're going. And if you happen to get here and you need fuel, about 3.5 miles that way is a Marathon gas station at the intersection of State Route 14 and I-76. So if you need gas, it's less than 4 miles away. You should be good to go. All right, we got the lake in the background. I believe this route ends in New Philadelphia, so let's get going.
Okay, we just left the parking lot, leaving West Branch State Park, and our first turn is going to be making a left on Ohio 14. If you make a right on Ohio 14, it will take you to the Marathon gas station I was just talking about. We are on County Road 29. Smith Goshen is what it called it when I made the turn off of Ohio 14 just about a mile ago. I would say we probably spent about 15 miles on Ohio 14 once we left West Branch. As we cruise along County Road 402 right now, getting ready to turn on Ohio 172. May not be a technical road, but it's definitely farm country. How can you tell? Not by my video right now, but you can definitely tell by the fresh country air, if you know what I mean. I just came through a whole bunch of farms. It's great. Well, we just turned north off of Ohio 172 on Homeworth Road. Can smell the hay from somewhere. Man, does that smell good. So I guess we're going to go north for just a little bit before we head south again. Which that's been one of the cool things that he's done with this route. I did something similar, and there's a playlist called Pat's BDR. What I did a few years ago is I just started at Marblehead Lighthouse and went all the way down to the Ohio River, and I just tried to find small roads like this and stay as much south as I could without any change of direction. As a matter of fact, some of the gravel roads that are on this route, the GOAT, are also on my route that I called Pat's BDR, just because of the part of the state you're in. There's not a whole lot of options if you're wanting to ride gravel. Right now we're just taking a leisurely drive down Pleasant Valley. Boy, was I wrong about staying on 172, but that's okay. I don't mind being wrong. The main thing I wanted to point out on this road is here on the right side in a few places has been some really, really fine silty sand that just pay attention to that. It may be there when you come through, it may not. But the last thing you want to do is have a front tire wash out, right? Okay, I'm here at Freed Street, Lumber Mill, and Cool Bridge. Whitaker Avenue. May not be gravel, but who cares? This is awesome. First gravel. And I don't know if these are active tracks or not. If they're used, they're not used very often. They don't have that really bright sheen to them. Well, that was short-lived gravel, but I didn't expect a whole lot on this part of the route. We are on Magnet Road. I think I'm going to stick to this road. I know, bad dad joke, but I can't resist things like that. I'll grow old, I'll never grow up. Okay, this is Lily Road and Macaw Road. Ooh, this looks kind of wicked. but the first actual gravel of the route, if you don't count that little bit over the railroad track. This is Ivory Road Northwest. It's trying to turn itself back into gravel. It was once chip and seal. We'll just say it's not maintained. That's property. Okay, that was pretty good. That little gravel jaunt we just did, literally from where I made the right-hand turn and came back out on this road, was less than a quarter of a mile apart. So kudos for finding that road. That was pretty cool. Here's a wicked intersection. But that Grenada Road turned into gravel. But since I'm doing it north to south, you've got to make that wicked uphill left-hander. The part that scared me is I wasn't sure what this road did, so there was a stop sign there. That made me feel a little better. And then straight ahead is no outlet, so okay, now we're going to turn on Granite Road off of Skeleton. Okay. I can do that. Where am I at? First gear? Okay. They just hate that when you lose track of what gear you're in. This is nice. Getting ready to turn on Magnolia Road Southwest, Ohio 542. Made a left back there on Fargo Road. By the looks of my GPS, I believe this is the proper route, even though it was trying to do some crazy things back there just a minute ago. Oh, jeez, gotta stand up. This washboard road is murder. Well, it says at a mile. Well, hi, Buzzard. We'll be back on 542, and I didn't get it camera turned back on, but it says steep hill. I'm assuming this is the steep hill. Of course, the action cameras will never ever show it. This isn't that bad though.
This is Editor Pat here. I did screw this part of the route up thanks to my GPS going wacky. I should have stayed on Fargo Road instead of making the right-hand turn on the road you're seeing here.
This is probably about the same going up as it was coming down. Again, you know it won't show up on the action camera. Well, there was no steep hill warning sign. I think this one was just as steep as the one that had the warning sign. Definitely looser. Well, I just turned onto Egypt Road Northeast, only 8.5 miles from the end of Section 9, or beginning, depending on the direction of travel. And again, it's August 15th, 2024, and fresh yuck chip and sealed. Well, I've only got 2 miles of this route left to do, and I'll be at the gas station. If you've made it this far, thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please mash that subscribe button. Throw a comment down there. Let me know what you thought of this route, my commentary, my stunning good looks, any of the above. Okay, that Shell station is the end of this route and the beginning of the next route for me, but I'm going to stop here and park and go have some lunch. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. All right, if you own a BMW, Matthias BMW here, just maybe a mile and a half, 2 miles from the gas station is a great place to get your parts. It's a nice family, small dealership. I've been here a few times, had work done, reasonable prices, good service. Just thought I'd let you know. All right, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.